Today I'm going to do my filter box activity.
Which one?
The first one.
This one?
Yes.
This is the first?
Compost planter.
Oh my god, you know.
We will plant our own plant. Daddy.
Yes. What is this?
This is a compost plant.
Okay.
So here we get instructions. So we first have this.
And?
The second is this. Third is this. Fourth is this. Fifth is this. Sixth is this. Seventh is this glass and the water drop.
And wooden stick. This is wooden stick. Okay?
Next we
So-
get glass. And we get water dropper.
We have to make two bags, plastic waste and organic waste. In plastic bag, we will use chocolate wrappers, biscuit wrappers. We have already used chocolate and biscuit wrappers, and now we will make organic waste. In this, we will use petals, pollen leaves, fruit and vegetables. Okay? You want me to come? Okay. Organic waste,
And
plastic waste.
remix
This is
powder.
remix powder. Add 7 pinches to remix powder in both the segregations. Okay?
How will we put it? Dad?
Now put 7 pinches inside it.
Now we add 1 drop water. We have to fill water both.
Observe the pouches every day. How does the organic waste segregation pouch looks? How does the plastic waste segregation pouch look?
And after 2 days, they will become germs.
Correct.
So we can really see that germs are real. After 2 days, we will show your video again. So after few days, organic waste and plastic waste look like this. Yes, let's take plant.
Okay.
Daddy.
Yes. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
It is written that we have to put these two things.
Mix. Then we have to mix it. One only have to put.
We have to put two.
Both. In this,
Put both of it.
the plant is empty. La 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 la. Next, we need a water bottle.
Okay. Stop. Oh, what happened? See, it is becoming big.
Big, big, big.
Now you have to mix with this.
Oh, now I get it. Now I know. You have to make it as milk. After this, put this like this. Then open the ढक्कन. Then put this. Next is this set. Now this one.
Okay.
First, I will make a hole for it. So this is it.
Okay.
Now this
No problem. Okay.
Next, we have this powder. This powder in this. Let's start.
While making plant, na, your hands will be dirty. Okay. So we have to keep in mind. This is 7 pinches. Put 7 pinches inside.
1, 2, 6,
Okay. Now remove it. We will close this one again. Okay.
So many cakes we have done, right? And this organic waste.
Where we have to put it? Inside this?
Yes, here. So now I have to get these seeds, and now I will put in the sides of the
Tower.
tower.
So little you have to put everywhere. We have to put some water here. So I will using this dropper, okay?
Then inside also, no? Now we will add this
Organic waste in the tower.
in the tower.
Now your hands will be little dirty, okay? You have to put some.
It's starting to grow.
Wait, we have to put water every day here. Huh?
If I have told you where it is. For 2 days, it looks like this.
Wow.
This is how we created our plant.
So guys, our compost planter is ready and this is how it looks. It is amazing. Our first compost planter is ready. I'm very happy. If you like it, subscribe and press the bell button and like the video, put thumbs up. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye guys.